Oh my goodness, Elizabeth, it finally came.
What is it?
It is our Love Sac.
It's a Love Sac? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. We need to tell the girls.
Call them in.
Girls!
Where do you think they are?
I don't know where they're at.
Oh, here they come.
What
Two of them anyway.
Yeah, look at what we got.
Hey, Erica and Yana.
We got a Love Sac. It's a large
Beanbag.
beanbag.
For like 3 people.
Oh my goodness.
All right, this thing is supposed to be like 5 or 6 feet in diameter, and it comes in this crazy sack. Our sacks are designed to be environmentally responsible, it says. So
It says flip, fluff, and sit. So I guess we need to follow the directions and find out how to set it up.
remove the sack insert from the duffel.
Okay, here we go, everybody.
We
Oh
should
my
have
goodness.
prepared for this by grabbing a box cutter for that box. Oh my goodness, Elizabeth. That seems heavy duty.
It is.
Perfect.
They crammed it in there.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa. Now what?
It feels weird.
Is this it?
Yeah.
It looks so
What does
weird.
step 3 say?
We gotta take
We unzipped it. Now it says to
Pour it out.
break up the Durafilm from the, oh, we gotta get this out first though, before we can do the step.
Oh, it's so big.
Anybody else just want to start singing Love Shack while we're talking about the Love Shack?
No, that's just you.
Just me. Apparently it's at least a 4-person job. Flip it. And reverse it. Ready?
Go. Oh, it's hurting my nails.
Nails.
Oh my goodness.
How much stuff in here?
There you guys go.
Woo! Step 1, done.
Now I bet we can just grip this.
Fluff it. Now we gotta fluff it.
Oh my goodness, I already hear it expanding.
Wow.
Okay, ready? It's getting bigger.
And now, flip it.
Fluff it.
Making memories.
Okay, do we flip it while we fluff it?
Yes.
Ready? Hold on, I'm gonna pick it up and flip it. This is getting
Go.
huge.
Do it again. It looks like a giant pancake.
Holy cows, where are we putting this? This is way bigger than I
In
thought.
my room.
In your room, I'll take up your whole room.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Excuse
why
me?
I want it there to be my bed.
Okay, now it says, once fully fluffed, position your sack insert with the logo face up.
Okay. How many days does it take for this to fully fluff?
I thought it said a few days, but here, you're better at reading than I am.
3 days, I think.
Where's the Love Sac logo we're supposed to flip up? I saw it. Oh my goodness, this is heavy.
Right here?
What a bonding experience.
Oh goodness. Is
There
that
it is.
it right there?
Love Sac.
So we're supposed to get that facing up.
So close.
So close. Get over there. Oh. Oh,
The more
can-
you fluff it, the fluffier it becomes.
We want it fluffy.
Put your unzipped cover over the sack so the bottom seam of the cover lines up with the top seam. Pull the 2 sides of the cover together as you zip down. And then finish fluffing.
We don't want to finish fluffing until we get that cover on, huh?
Yes, correct. And I believe it says it takes about 2 days for it to become fully fluffed.
Fully fluffed. Well, let's.
Let's add our cover, girls. You can open it, go for it.
Safety first. Anybody else want to jump on it?
I do, but it looks
Kind
really
of, but
dirty.
it's not fully fluffed yet.
And it looks dirty. Oh, it's probably not dirty.
It's full of dust from the foam. It's the foam. It's foam dust.
Oh, look at that. What is in there? My Love Sac bag box.
Number 1, it says, friends don't let friends sit on a flat sack. Flip, fluff, flop, repeat.
Whoa. So is this inside out? Look at that. Sack Mom bought.
Oh, it's gonna melt.
Yeah. It'll go in our movie room,
Alright, so unzip it.
also known as the Star Wars room.
Holy cow! Imagine the size it's gonna get because it has
So
to
you
fit
actually
in it.
zip down, so it goes over the top, from what I understand.
Yeah. Oh, right. Here's Love Sac.
Okay. Oh, there's that zipper.
Yep.
Oh, okay. And then that.
It's a little pocket. Full for your nap.
For snack. No, be hiding food in there. We'll probably put the directions in there for cleaning or something.
Should we flip it one more time?
Oh,
For
sure.
fun?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Yana's got it. Oh, all the way around?
Well, obviously the Love Sac has to be on the top, right?
Oh my.
Oh goodness. Okay, here's the seam. So this
It got
seam,
more fluffy.
This seam up?
this seam goes up, so and that seam goes down, right?
Okay, so let's see. We're gonna just like toss it over.
Did it come with directions?
What's the direction for the box now?
Oh, I see. It's like a clamshell.
Yeah. So you're supposed to zip it from the top down.
Oh, it's only got a zipper on one side.
Put your unzipped cover over the sack so the bottom seam of the cover lines up with the top seam of the Love Sac insert.
It does not
Covers
line up.
have laces that tie to loops on the sack insert.
I see it right here.
Oh, don't forget to tie the laces.
It's a good thing you reread that because
Where's-
these
yeah.
girls had it on at a
Right
90-degree
here.
angle.
Oh, yeah. So it helps, I suppose, so it doesn't move around.
Oh, that's Lino. You guys, I can't wait to fall asleep watching movies on this Love Sac.
It's gonna be enough for 5 of us.
Okay, mine's tied. I tied mine in a bow. Like
I believe it's a 2 to 3 person Love Sac.
Oh,
Depending on.
double check. I thought it was the 3 to 4.
Oh.
Pull it tight,
3
pull it
person,
tight.
see?
3 person.
Oh.
1 mom and 2 children.
Mm-hmm.
One mom.
Mom and 2 children.
And then you have the zipper on your side. So now do you rotate it as you're doing it? Or do you crawl underneath it?
You
I
have
don't know, it just says pull the
Pull
2
it.
sides of the cover as you zip downwards, rotating the sack as you zip.
See? I thought so.
Oh.
Dad, the girls might need help.
Girls, crawl inside there.
No.
No, I meant put that over that. That's what I meant. I was backwards. Ready? Rotate. Oh, we almost got mom in there.
Yeah, I almost lost the directions.
Keep rotating.
Missing inside of it somewhere.
Pull it together, Yana.
That careful.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna rotate again. Wait.
Don't pull too hard. There we go.
Let's see if they spill. Do we fluff it too much? Is this a waterproof sack?
It is not.
So if you spill it, you can just quickly clean it up and then
Yes,
throw it in the.
I believe it is.
So you can.
Oh, water resistant,
Yeah,
not
this is
waterproof.
water resistant, so if you spill on it.
You gotta
Cool,
wipe it
that's-
up and then.
Is it all the way around?
Yes.
It's all the way
So that's
around.
gotta go back
Can
to
I
the
sit on it
bottom.
now? Can I sit on it?
Where's the top now?
Is this handles?
There's a cute little zipper pouch.
Cute zipper pouch.
I'm gonna do school on this every morning.
Okay, Mom, how does it go now?
Now, finish fluffing, punch yourself a nice seat and experience total comfort.
Oh, here, let's turn it so it's the right way.
I forgot so much.
That'd be the front where your feet go, this would be your head goes.
Like guys, and I'm just like,
I don't know.
Jump on it. Woo!
just like that.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yada? Is it teenager approved?
Well, I'm not a teenager, so I think it's pretty sweet.
You think it's pretty sweet?
Yeah.
She thinks it's pretty sweet.
I'll take a nap now.
I guess it's time for a nap.
And it's, when I wake up, it's gonna be covered in rain because it's
Coming in.
Ah!
I almost got a butt in my face.
I'm out. That's pretty cool. Mom, try it.
I gotta fluff it again.
There we go. Now it's really big.
Woo!
Now kick off your slippers and no, take a nap. Keep your feet warm.
Oh, it's pretty comfy.
It's a whole. You're getting. It's a big my bed.
All right, everybody. Well, that's it. Our new Love Sac has been ready. We will let you know how it goes once we finish letting it expand, and then we use it for movie night.
Yeah.
All right. Girl,
Thanks
you have
for
anything to say?
watching. Bye.
Bye.